Hello! Welcome to my channel! Important to know creating some footage as requires some bytes plugins sign the speed of the process and make this much easier. Want to remind that this channel's owner is self-taught and don't have professional design education. However, my videos could save you much time because you mostly call, skip through and start processing right away. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background making called options, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the button preset. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.